Rosie Williams definitely had her ups and downs on Love Island as her budding relationship with player Adam Collard quickly turned sour. Following the pair's explosive Rowan bombshell, Zara McDermott made a splash on the Spanish island of Mallorca. Rosie was left nursing her broken heart and confided in her best pal Samira Mighty, who was also suffering from a lack of romance. Samira had been stuck with Dr. Alex George for the duration of the show until Friday night's a shocking installment of the reality series. While the pair were good friends, it was clear early on they didn't share the chemistry necessary to turn their connection into a fully fledged love story. But when personal trainer Sam strode into the villa, he made his intentions to woo Samira, Rosie and Ellie very clear, and then Alex fell for other new bombshell Ellie Brown. In a shock twist, the personality, who is friends with ITV favourite Georgia Toffolo in the outside world, chose to couple up with Samira, meaning Rosie was forced to go home. Many fans were bowled over by the decision after watching Sam's 3 dates, convinced he and Rosie had the best chance of taking things further. What's more, some viewers even said Sam and Samira's date was awkward and cringeworthy, complete with forced laughs aplenty. While his date with the blonde seemed to go well, Ellie still insisted she had her heart set on trying to kickstart things with the shy Alex, leaving Sam to choose between the other two. But as they weighed up the events of the latest installment, some viewers came to the conclusion Sam has got a very clear game plan to get into the final. Sharing their thoughts on Twitter, viewers said Sam's rapid shift in taste gave the whole game away. Why did Sam tell Rosie he prefers brunettes and then tells Ellie he prefers blondes? Love Island, one person asked. Ellie and Sam are gonna get together. Sam isn't into Samira. Another wrote, Ellie isn't into Alex. Calling at Love Island. A third agreed, I knew Sam would pick Samira because he wants Ellie and this way him and Alex can swap Love Island. While a fourth said, happy for Samira but Sam will drop you the moment Ellie gets bored of Alex Love Island. Fans continued their speculation when one shared, I don't think Sam likes Samira but he's giving her a chance at love. Rosie had hers, good lad Love Island. Wondering if Sam is actually genuine or he just know how to play game? Love Island, another added. Despite the cynicism from viewers, Sam's declaration seemed heartfelt as he revealed his decision to choose Samira. I want to couple up with this girl because we had an amazing date. He began with a smile. She is absolutely stunning and I don't think she's had what she wants from this villa yet and I want to give her that chance. The newcomer later told The Beach Hut, I'm buzzing to get to know Samira. She's really attractive and I like a girl that makes me laugh, so it will be interesting to see where it goes from here. Love Island 2018 continues tonight at 9 p.m. on